Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the environment ready. Install Python 3.10 or use the Docker image and set your Mistral API KEY as an environment variable. Once done, prepare sample inputs, convert PDFs to per-page PNGs, crop out margins, and aim for 300 dpi so the model sees sharp text. Make sure to trim color noise and save file names with clear page indices. Now run a quick test call on one image to confirm connectivity and key permissions before scaling up to batches. That first call validates the whole chain. You now execute the core OCR step, selecting the appropriate Mistral OCR model and enabling layout detection when pages contain columns or tables. Once you send images in batches, monitor concurrency and timeouts so requests don't overload your CPU or API quota. Make sure responses include confidence scores and bounding boxes, then apply thresholds to drop low-confidence tokens. While processing, adjust sampling or beam settings to improve accuracy for noisy text. This iterative tuning reduces errors as you feed more representative samples into the pipeline. You finish by cleaning and exporting results. Normalize Unicode, repair common OCR misreads, and reassemble multi-line fields into structured records. Once done, produce searchable PDFs or JSON with bounding boxes for review and export CSV for data workflows. Make sure to validate a random sample to measure real-world accuracy and implement retries with exponential backoff for intermittent failures. If things go wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Rerun problematic pages with higher resolution or alternate preprocessing. That often fixes low-confidence text recognition immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.